Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Study Corner. So, we are making videos for the coming up examination SSC MTS, and we all know out of the 100 questions, 25 questions are from English. Okay, so in each of the video, we are going to look into 10 English questions. Let's get started. The first question, look here, the question is waiting for a bus is a dash experience. Waiting for a bus is what experience? We have four options, that is kills, kill, killing and is killing. So when we look into the question, we can see the word waiting here. Waiting means that the process is still continuing. So only two options can become the answer, that is killing and is killing. Okay, we look in here and we find is A. So the option will come like is A is killing experience. So the answer is option C, killing experience. Waiting for a bus is a killing experience. Hope you are clear about it. Okay, now we will look into the second question. The second question says that he hopes to join Dash University soon. Okay, so in this question we need to consider two things. That is, whenever we are describing a particular thing, like a special university like Harvard University, Oxford University, then the answer will become the, because it represents a unique thing like the college, the Harvard University. But whenever a common thing like university is here, the answer will be A. So the answer here is A. He hopes you join a university soon. Okay. Now consider the third question. Okay, the direction is select the correct question tag. And the question is, it is very hot today. So the making of question tags is actually very simple. We need to look into one main condition, that is, what is the word here? Look at here, is very hot today. So the question tag will become a negative of this is, and the answer is isn't it. So it will be like it is very hot today, isn't it? So that's the correct answer. Okay, now we will look into the next question. Okay, this is also a question tag question. Suganya will not come home today. So here the question is actually negative, so we need to make a positive out of it, and we see will here, and the answer will be will she. That's it. Okay, so now when I am considering each questions, I hope you guys might pause the video and try to find out the answer, so that will be good for a better understanding of yourself. Okay, now next question. Life is not a bed dash roses. So it's actually very simple. Just look and we can say bed of roses. That's the answer. No other options can match there. And we will look into the next question. Okay. Select the odd one out. And we have four options. The hardware, keyboard, ink, monitor. Okay, considering options A, B and C. All these options are representing a device, a hardware device. But look at the option C, ink. Does ink refer to all these or any of these? No. So that's the odd one out. So while considering these odd one out questions, we have to eliminate the options. That's how we need to find the answer. We need to eliminate each option which is not having a probability of become the answer, and the final we will get to the answer. Antonyms. Antonyms actually means opposite. Okay, we need to find the opposite of a particular word. So here we are given a sentence, he is in deep sleep. So deep, that's the word we need to look into here. What is the opposite of deep? It's shallow. That's how you need to find out the answer. So let's look into another question. Yes, Rama is always logical in his thinking. Logical. Consider logical. What is the antonym or opposite word of logical? It's illogical. We all know it's illogical. So the answer is illogical. Option D. Rama is always logical in his thinking. So actually they are given the question as a sentence or a question or something. But actually we need to put that specific word out of the question and we need to find out the answer. Okay. Now moving to the next question. change into passive voice. Or this question can also be asked as change into reported speech. See, that's like they will given us a sentence, and we need to find out the sentence after that thing has happened. Okay, or how a third person will tell the incident to another person. That's how we need to change into passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. They will give some active voice and we need to change into passive voice. The question is here, they will demolish the entire block, and we have four options. The entire block is being demolished. The block may be demolished entirely. The entire block will have to be demolished by or the entire block will be demolished. So they will demolish the entire block. From the question, it is sure that the entire block will be demolished. That's how they get the answer. The entire block will be demolished. See, in the first option we have is being demolished. That's actually not true about the sentence given. It may be demolished. No, it's actually demolished. We know that. So that's how we get the answer D. So now look into the last question of this session. Yes, this is also a changing into passive voice. This surface feels smooth. So what can be the answer? From the question itself, we know feel. Feel will become felt. Actually, all options are felt here. But what is the feeling? The surface is felt smooth. Option A. That's how the answer need to be chosen. So all other options didn't even convey to the meaning the question has said. That's how it is. So this is the first video of this playlist. We will come with more video. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe it. And best of luck to all guys who are preparing for their MTS examination. See you guys. Thank you.